Hi everyone, myself Chinmay Siri. I am studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering, Bangalore. Today's subject is physics and the topic is types of optical fiber and attenuation. Brief flow of presentation. Introduction. What are the optical fiber? Structure of optical fiber. Working principle of optical fiber. Optical fiber communication system. Advantages and disadvantages of optical fiber. Applications of optical fiber. And conclusion. What are optical fiber? An optical fiber is a air-thin cylindrical fiber of glass or any transparent dielectric medium. The fiber which are used for optical communication are wave guides made up of transparent dielectrics. Its function is to guide visible and infrared light over long distance. We can see this is the structure of fiber. It contains of outer jacket, strength member, cladding, coating, core. Core. Central tube of very thin size made up of optically transparent dielectric medium and carries the light from transmitter to receiver. The core diameter can vary from about 5, 5 to 100 mm. Cladding. Outer optical material surrounding the core having reflecting index lower than core. It helps to keep the light within the core throughout the phenomena of total internal reflection. Butter coating. Plastic coating that protects the fiber made up of silicon rubber. The typically diameter of fiber after coating is 250 to 300 mm. Working principle. When a ray of light travels from a denser to rarer medium such that the angle of incident is greater than the critical angle, the ray reflects back into the same medium. This phenomena is called TIR. In the optical fiber, the rays undergo repeated total number of reflections until it emerges out of the other end of the fiber, even if fiber is bent. Classification of optical fiber. Optical fiber is classified into two categories based on the number of modes, the reflective index. In the number of modes, it is classified into two parts: single mode fiber, multi mode fiber. In reflective index, it classifies into two parts, that are step index optical fiber, guarded index optical fiber. On basis of number of modes, single mode fiber. It has small core diameter and high cladding diameter. Difference between the reflective index of core and cladding is very small. There is neither dispersion nor degradation, therefore, it is suitable for long distance communication. The light is passed through the single mode fiber through laser diode. Multi-mode fiber. It allows a large number of modes for light ray traveling through it. The core diameter is 40 mm and that of cladding is 70 mm. The relative reflective index difference is also large than single mode fiber. There is single degradation due to multimode depression. It is not suitable for the long distance communication due to large dispersion and attenuation of signal. On basis of refractive index, single index fiber. Step index optical fiber, the reflective index of core and cladding are constant. The light ray propagates through it in the form of meridional ray which cross the fiber axis during every reflection at the core cladding boundary. Grading index fiber. In this type of core as a non-uniform refractive index that gradually decrease from the center towards the core cladding interface. The cladding as a uniform reflective index. The light ray propagate through it in the form of helical rays. They never cross the fiber axis. Optical fiber communication system. Information source. It provides an electrical signal to a transmitter compressing an electrical stage. Electrical transmitter. It drives an optical source to give an modulation of the light wave carries. Optical source. It provides the electrical optical conversion. It may be a semiconductor laser or an LED. Optical cable. It serves as transmission medium. Optical detector. It is responsible for optical fiber to electrical conversion of data. It may be photodiode, phototransistor, or photoconductor. Electrical receiver. It is used for electrical interface at the receiver end of the optical link and to perform the signal processing electrically. Differentiation. It is a final point at which we receive the information in the form of electrical signal. Attenuation. Attenuation is a loss of the optical power. Attenuation in the optical fiber takes place due to elements like coupler, splitter, coupler, skipless, connector, and fiber itself. Variation of specific attenuation with wave. Advantages of optical fiber. Immense bandwidth to utilize. Total electrical isolation in the transmission medium. Very low transmission loss. Small size and lightweight. High signal security, very low power consumption, and wide scope of system expansion, etc. Disadvantages. System initialization is very costly. Only point to point communication is possible. Precise and costly instrument would be received. Scribbling is time consuming. It accepts only unipolar codes. Optical fiber versus copper, the choice is clear. Applications. Optical fiber have wider range of applications in almost all fields. Some are specially below. In telecommunication field, civil, consumer and industrial applications, in military applications, broadband applications, in decorations, etc. Endoscopy in medical field. There are two optical fiber in endoscope. One for light to illuminate the inside of patient, another for camera to see the image back to doctor. Conclusion. At the last, there are some negative of using optical fiber communication system in terms of spilling, coupling, set of expressions, etc. But it is an unavoidable fact that optical fiber has revolutionizing the field of communication as soon as computer will be capable for processing optical signals. The total area of communication will be optimized immediately. Thank you. Like and share.